What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a webcam with a flexible arm. So this is going to be the Webcam Flex. The WC Flex is the model number by Cyber Acoustics. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it. All right, so once you get this out of the box, you'll see that you get your user manual. And this is going to be the webcam. Now, as we take this out the box, you can see that we get this nice low profile webcam with this nice thin neck that you can adjust depending on the size of your monitor, the distance that you want the webcam. And then adjust here. And you have some controls on the top of the webcam itself. You have your zoom button. You also have your image button, so you can change the direction of the image. You also have a focus because this has automatic focus and low light correction. Now, this is a really cool webcam. It has multi-purpose use and it's really easy to set up. So you have this like counterbalance here that you would use to rest on your monitor. If you want to put this on a tripod, you can too, because it has a thread at the bottom of it. So that's really cool. But basically what you would do is place this on your monitor like so. Get the back folded on there so it props on the back of the monitor. This is plug and play. There's no drivers needed or anything like that. It's automatically detected by your operating system and should work perfectly. So all I have to do is plug in the USB cable into the USB port of my computer. Then you can go to whichever software that you want to use to do your recording. So I'm going to open up a recording software. I'm going to add a source, look for the webcam. And once I add a video capture device, it pops up automatically. The only thing that I have plugged in is going to be the webcam, and boom, the camera is active. You can see we have a full 1080p HD image on the webcam. So once we have the camera plugged in, it's automatically ready to go. You have your controls on top of the camera here. We can control the zoom. It's just touch sensitive. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of zoom that you can go into. There's an automatic focus, and it's touch sensitive, so you don't have to press on the camera really hard. So that's one thing that I really like. And then also what's really cool that makes this flexible is going to be how you can use it. So say for instance, you have a Zoom meeting and you need to read a script or some type of text on the screen. You can have this centered in the middle of the screen and then have your text in view, and you can read your script while you're looking at the webcam. So that way it looks like you're not looking away from the camera. So if I'm looking directly into the camera and I can read my script here, and it looks like you're just staying on focus. Now on the camera itself, there's also a LED light. So that way it lets you know that the camera is active. Now this camera can be used for multiple things. So maybe if you're a creator and you want to use this as a streaming camera, you can do that. And one cool thing, if you're a hobby creator, you can use this to focus on, say for instance, something like I'm doing an unboxing video, or if you're creating some work of art, you can have this camera focus on that in a downward position to get what you're working on. Now, one feature that this also have is going to be a dual omni-directional microphone, so it can pick up your voice from the front or the rear of the camera. So everything is built into one. You can see the audio level on the gauge here. You can see how it's peaking. It picks up voice really well. So guys, this is going to be the Webcam Flex. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. And also guys, if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.